Samsung has been scaling up its Galaxy series. No matter what happens, every year we get to see something upgraded and new about Samsung phones. This time, it's about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is what exactly the video is going to be about. In this video, we will explore the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and yes, there is something 100% confirmed about one of its incredible features. Well, do you want to know more? Brilliant news for fans of Samsung's best Android phones comes in the form of 100% confirmation of advanced new technology debuting on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra flagship. It's been a while since Samsung revealed its 200-megapixel sensor, and it's highly likely that the South Korean company's next premium phone, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, will include it. It's not the same as the HP1 and HP3 versions that the company has already announced, and there were some rumors that the 200-megapixel sensor intended for the S23 Ultra would be quite large, but that appears to be false. Ice Universe, a well-known tipper, has been a reliable source for the South Korean tech giant's upcoming products. Now, the leaks claim that he is certain that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a 200-megapixel primary camera on the back with the size of 1/3 inch, 0.6 millimeter size pixels, and a larger aperture of 1.7 to let in more light. The previous generation Galaxy S22 Ultra had a 108-megapixel sensor with a 1.33-inch size, 0.8 meters pixels, and a 1.8 aperture. He went on to say that the image sensor in the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be slightly larger than the sensor in the new Apple iPhone. Samsung is more concerned with maintaining its lead over Apple. Higher resolutions are not the be-all and end-all, as demonstrated by Apple and Google, but they are generally better for pro users because they give them more options to work with. Many buyers still consider the megapixel count to be the gold standard for determining how good a camera is. At the end of the day, many factors other than megapixels influence image quality, including sensor size, because a large sensor can fit more pixels and capture more details. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to retain the S22 Ultra's 10-megapixel telephoto sensors with 10 times and 3 times optical zoom. There's no information available about the ultra-wide camera. The company is also expected to use software intelligence to assist the S23 Ultra in producing significantly better images and videos. It's safe to say that it will outperform the majority of the top camera phones in 2022. Aside from that, we anticipate that the upcoming 200-megapixel camera, which could be dubbed the ISOCELL HB2 for obvious reasons, will provide better picture and video quality due to improved hardware-software integration from Samsung. We might also see better autofocus. Some core specifications such as pixel binning of 22 and 44 and 8K video recording at 30 frames per second may remain unchanged. If we step back, as powerful and impressive as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4, their camera systems pale in comparison to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it is now clear that trend will continue into 2023 with the S23 Ultra. It's that simple. If you want the best camera on a Samsung phone in 2023, you'll eventually have to buy an S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 series is set to debut in early 2023. According to leaks and rumors, Samsung will not change the design or rear camera layout of the Galaxy S22 series. Other than the primary camera, the rest of the camera setup may remain unchanged. However, the processor, software, and fingerprint scanner will be upgraded. We will keep you up to date on all the latest information about the next generation Samsung flagships. Whether or not the groundbreaking new camera will be enough to sway Android phone users to leap is unknown, as details on what other upgrades the flagship will deliver over this year's device are currently lacking. But Samsung appears to be committed to keeping its single-screen flagship a technical leader in certain aspects, and there's no doubt that a 200-megapixel camera makes the Galaxy S23 Ultra sound even more appealing. For me, having one of the best foldable phones equipped with a 200-megapixel camera main camera is the stuff that dreams are made of. Well, isn't that great news? With that said, what do you think about this video? For more exciting and informative videos, keep watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more.